पहले जब हमने सोचा कि हम एमएक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, मैंने बोला यार कार्ड तो होने चाहिए बात करने के लिए, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैड द ट्राइफेक्टा, द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल कैलकुलेशन शीट दैट आई एवर मेड.
Suddenly, that is where milestone-based cards come to your rescue.
तुम दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा कार्ड होल्ड कर रहे हो, लेकिन तुम 40 रुपए के स्पेंड पे 1 रुपया निकाल रहे हो. कितना देती है? इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द एंटायर डिवैल्यूएशन सिनेरियो दिस ईयर, वन स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन आई हैव इज दैट यार यू शुड हैव एन एमएक्स इन योर वॉलेट इफ यू आर सीरियस अबाउट ट्रैवल.
And I learned few interesting things after that.
फ्रॉम आवर पॉडकास्ट होपफुली.
Fuel के लिए that is the default card that I used to use. Please, मेरा साल का at least 1 लाख रुपए उधर चले गया, which is great, right? मतलब मेरा fuels में point नहीं मिलते कभी भी.
If you finish your 4th lakh or the 7th lakh now, afterwards your Taj validity also increases.
आदिल, एक्चुअल में क्या है ना कि लाइफ में बहुत अरमान होते हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो यूट्यूब पे आजकल एक बहुत पॉडकास्ट फेमस चल रहा है, द ग्रेट इंडियन माइल शो. और उस पे एक बहुत फेमस बंदा है धीमन. वो ना एक दिन आके बम गिराता है, बोलता है कतर स्टेटस मैच हो रहा है.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है, तो वो आपका जो अरमान है वो कीड़े में तब्दील होता है. ठीक है.
मेरी सब लोग मार रहे हैं आजकल, क्या चल रहा है?
Lights flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.
Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. This is your host Adil, and today we're back with a fun segment on American Express credit cards. In the recent past, you've seen that we had a special on the Axis Bank credit cards. Then we had another 2026 special on the HDFC Bank credit cards. And today we're here to cover the American Express ecosystem. Now, there are lots of cards that are there in the American Express ecosystem. We're going to talk about that. But there are two cards that they're currently issuing in the market. The first is the American Express Platinum Charge Card. And the second one is the American Express Platinum Reserve. Who are these cards for? Who should get them? For those of you who have the MRCC, for those of you who have the Gold Charge Card, for those of you who had the Platinum Travel that recently got devalued, where the spend limit went from 4 lakhs to 7 lakhs, should you retain it? Should you retain these? Should you keep it? Should you axe them? Should you move on? If you should move on, where? And if you should retain, why? These are all questions we plan to answer. And for that, and to answer all of these, like always, we've got Dhiman ji. क्या हाल है?
ऑल गुड. आई थिंक पहले जब हमने सोचा कि हम एमएक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, मैंने बोला यार कार्ड तो होने चाहिए बात करने के लिए, बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट यार द थिंग इज दैट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर वेटिंग फॉर कार्ड्स टू कम, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैड द ट्राइफेक्टा एज वी यूज्ड टू कॉल इट. आई मीन द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल कैलकुलेशन शीट दैट आई एवर मेड इज द एमएक्स ट्राइफेक्टा. सो विल ब्रेक इट डाउन एंड इट बी फन टू टॉक अबाउट. आई फील.
Speaking about fun, we're recording it in a very fun space called Mila Homes. Mila Homes is this nice boutique interior decor studio which is in HSR layout. And if you're thinking about doing interiors, come visit the space, hang out, take a look. It's run by Kusumesh, who's a friend of ours. He's a friend of the community. He's been active in our Discord channel. He has attended our events and he hangs out with us every now and then. He's been using the card on a very regular basis, a bunch of these cards, and he has a few. And he invited us to our studio to record. So, Kusumesh, thanks for inviting us.
Hi, how are you guys?
Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thanks. Love to be have here.
We've got another exciting guest today. Someone who's been part of our Dosa meetup, someone who's been part of our Discord community, someone who we've known for a while, someone who also was one of the first people to sign up for the Points Syndicate. क्या हो गया?
अरे करो ना, मैं अरे
हंस क्यों रहे हो?
बैकग्राउंड नॉइज जिस तरह बोले थे फर्स्ट वन टू साइन, मेरे को लगा कि यू सेटिंग अप हिम फॉर थाईलैंड का एकदम।
यार उसने जेन्युइनली साइन आउट किया बहुत जल्दी.
हाँ, मतलब-
as soon as the word was out he was like हाँ मैं साइन अप कर रहा हूँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ.
मैंने चाबी भरी थी.
but if you realize he was the one who says बैंकॉक में करो, और जब हमने अनाउंस किया
वो भी करो, वो
भाई
भी करो.
बैंकॉक में थे एंड बैंकॉक से मैसेज आ रहा मैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हूँ, बोला आओगे कि नहीं, एंड ही सेड या आऊंगा, एंड देन he signed up. So I think I have met only one person in my life who's so passionate about Thailand and Bangkok, but after meeting this guy मेरे को लगता है ये दोनों twins है who are equally excited by Bangkok. पेशे से सर साइबर सिक्योरिटी कंसल्टेंट है, बट एवरी अदर मंथ दिस गाय इज एक्चुअली इन बैंकॉक. क्या सीन भाई, क्यों जाते हो इतना?
मैं इसलिए जाता हूँ ये देखने के लिए कि धीमन वहां जाके क्या करता है.
यार रिसेंटली there's this guy on Twitter, no, the Centurion guy.
हाँ.
So he has been putting content on hidden gems of Bangkok. And now किसी ने तो उसको पूछा कि और चीजें बताओ, तो उसने मुझे अभी टैग किया, बोला कि बताओ for this thing I'll tag. अभी I'm going to tag you now. Every time I get tagged, I'll tag you.
So with that, welcome. Thank you for being on the pod.
Thank you.
Cool. So the premise is set. We're going to be talking about the American Express ecosystem. What I'd love to get started with is deep dive into which are American Express cards you hold currently, and then talk about what's the use case for each card.
Perfect.
We will go around the room and we'll understand what is it that we use each card for, what is the spend we make, why we make that, and what are the amount of points we earn, and what do we get out of those points, where are we using those points. Once we've understood that, then we'll talk about actionables for people who either have those cards and don't have those cards. If people have those cards, उससे क्या करना चाहिए? अगर तुम्हारे पास नहीं है तो तुम कौन से cards ले सकते हो, Amex or otherwise. We'll break into that.
So Adil, I want to add one more fun section to this pod. I think one thing, if people don't know, Adil is extremely passionate about Amex and again from day one I'm seeing that passion in him. ये content ही बनाते रहता है Amex के ऊपर. So recently he was talking about on one of the pod clips where he said that यार I use Amex for these reasons. One of the things I have serious complaints about is how India has been treated by the Amex ecosystem, right? So I have a wish list. I want to cover it somewhere during the pod. So let's also bring that home, saying कि यार क्या करना है Amex साथ इंडिया में. There is so much of fan following here.
तुम करो तुम्हारी विश लिस्ट के साथ, मैं डिफेंड करूंगा, ठीक है? With that we'll get started. Kshitij, we'll start with you.
Sure.
Okay. Let's talk about the cards you hold and the reasons why.
Okay, so I am a member with Amex since 2016. That is when I got my first Plaid travel card.
Okay.
And uske baad I got their gold charge. Then their rewards card.
MRCC.
Yes. And so that completes the trifecta. And since 3 years, I am using their Plaid charge.
Oh, you retained the charge.
I retained it twice. Then I closed it right after renewing it. And I learned few interesting things after that.
From our podcast, hopefully.
उसके बाद फिर then I got that amazing offer of 1 lakh points plus 25,000 Air India vouchers. So then I renewed it. I took that offer, and that is when I checked with you on Discord
Yeah.
that if I'll upgrade it, तो कहीं मेरा Plaid travel तो close नहीं हो
Correct.
जाएगा.
Yeah, I
But
remember,
both are separate products. I made sure that I have that email and it's clearly mentioned what is the like offer exactly, and then I went for it. So again back into the game. So yeah, loving it.
In fact, one very interesting thing. So when he messaged me, I was chatting with Amex at that point of time when he was messaging me on Discord. तो Amex वाले ने मुझे बोला कि नहीं सर, आपका कार्ड तो क्लोज हो जाएगा. सॉरी, आपका कार्ड तो क्लोज हो जाएगा. मैंने बोला एक काम करो, आपका TNC डॉक्यूमेंट खोलो, उसमें 20वें पॉइंट पे जाओ और पढ़ो क्या लिखा है. एंड दिस लाइक हाँ सॉरी सर, दिस हैपेंड वंस. सेकंड टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड वाज आई मैसेज्ड हर एंड सेड कि यार एयर इंडिया वाउचर्स मेरे कहाँ है बताओ. तो शी सेड यू आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दैट एयर इंडिया वाउचर बिकॉज आप फर्स्ट 300 में नहीं थे. मैं बोला भाई मेरा तो गारंटीड एयर इंडिया वाउचर वाला था. बोलता नहीं सर मुझे तो दिखा. मैंने काम करो फिर से ईमेल खोलो, मेरा डेट देखो. सॉरी सर. सो वन थिंग आई हैव सीन रिसेंटली इज दैट द होल सपोर्ट थिंग व्हिच Amex used to pride upon is losing sheen. I hope they get better.
So I'll tell you my perspective.
I
there.
remember your reel and I saw
So-
the
no,
replies that
so-
you give to people.
So I'll tell you perspective. So I don't think this is an American Express problem. I think this is a human problem
Sure.
that happens with a lot of banks, not just American Express. It also happens with a lot of airlines.
Yeah.
So for example, if you like to do redemptions, you will understand that a lot of redemptions are web based जो फटाक से हो जाता है, right? So KrisFlyer पे अगर आपको बुक करना है वो हो जाएगा.
Correct.
But if you're doing mixed itineraries or you're doing Star Alliance redemptions, oftentimes what happens is वो web पे नहीं होता. आपको फोन करके करना पड़ता है. Turkish Airlines is an
Yeah,
example.
yeah.
फोन पे करके करना पड़ता है. जल पे if you want to do sometimes complex redemptions, फोन करके करना पड़ता है. Now, a lot of times when you call the call center, there's someone who's going to tell you, no, sir, this is not possible.
Correct.
Which is where we have a 5-letter term called HUACA, which is very popular in the entire points and miles community. It's called HUACA. What is HUACA? Hang up and call again.
Yeah.
Because just because that representative doesn't have the right knowledge doesn't mean that that feature does not exist.
Yeah.
So I think it's sometimes a lot of human dependent. They might not have the necessary knowledge. So ideally all of them should. But it is a limitation for whatever reason.
This is the same
So you'll
problem.
have to call up again and speak to somebody
This is
else.
the same problem, Adil, which आपने टीवी पे ad देख लिया किसी प्रोडक्ट का FMCG का, you go to the store, you realize को that's not hit the stores.
There you
It's the
go.
same thing. You not trained your
Correct.
agents, but you release the product first. आपने communication भेज दिया. I think वो product manager का काम है कि भाई पहले तो अपने agents को train कर दो.
नहीं,
वो
a lot
missing
of
लगता है
times
मुझे
उसने train
कभी.
किया भी होगा. Maybe that person was not
Lost in
attentive.
translation. Yeah.
Whatever,
fair.
right?
Yeah.
So this happens across all banks, all cards, all airlines. But I think as consumers, we need to know what our right is, and therefore थोड़ा बहुत effort मारना पड़ता है. मार लेते हैं.
So what is your stack, Adil? Abhi? So we heard his stack. What is your stack?
Flat travel, flat charge.
Simple. You just kept it simple.
That's it. I don't want anything
But
else.
Sanya had the reserve in her name, or she's
Flat
gone?
travel.
Only flat travel.
Flat
so you
travel,
have two
that's it.
flat travels in the family, and you
Yeah,
have
Sanya
one.
has a flat travel. I have a flat travel. I have a flat charge. That's it. Nothing else. Simple.
Okay. In my case, I have the flat travel. I have the flat charge. I had the gold charge, which I just closed. बहुत दर्द हुआ because I love the gold charge as a card. I mean the visual of the card, but unfortunately it's
मैं
not
आपसे
adding any
पूछने
value.
वाला था वो टाइम पे जब आपने क्लोज किया कि आप उसको क्लोज क्यों कर रहे
So
हो.
I'll tell you why I closed it. I assumed मैंने अपनी head में Adil knows I make these calculations all the time. तो मेरे mind में था 1000 into 6 into 12 कितने points आएंगे. You won't believe मैंने एक भी महीना swipe ही नहीं किया 1000 rupees into 6. So then I
Okay.
realized कि if I'm not going to do that and theoretical points calculate करके क्या फायदा है? If I'm not following that, right? And sometimes Tashi, my wife, used to get irritated. क्या है 1000 बार 6 बार swipe कर रहे हो? एक बार fuel pump पे मैंने किया था तो she got pissed. I said छोड़ो यार नहीं करना. So I just gave up the card. And in case of my wife Tashi, because I had to keep one card active for her. Flat travel नहीं है उसके पास, so I can't get it. Reserve उसके पास, I don't want to apply reserve for her. So I had the option of either getting a flat charge or a gold charge. So I kept the gold charge on her name. So
Okay.
she had the gold charge. So I said अगर करना भी कभी हुआ तो I'll use her card.
Then it makes
And
sense.
I need that Marriott for her because वो चाहिए transfer का flexibility.
And
So
you
that's
also
my-
get the 5x points in that also, right?
Yeah,
When you're
but
buying the
dude, I'm not
vouchers.
using it. It's
No.
for me, I'm not using it.
At least Amazon के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है यार.
हाँ.
मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ use. Like
But
that's
the
what I-
only reason why I have kept it is because कभी मेरे को यदि फ्लैट चार्ज रिन्यू नहीं करना है और I need to take a break
yeah.
and then come back again in the
Yeah.
game whenever they have amazing
Yeah.
offers like this, there is a fallback plan and I still have one charge card.
Yeah.
So
Fair.
that was my idea.
But like, is there a reason why you need a charge card? Like, I'm just thinking because मेरे को I need one Amex card. I don't care it's a charge card or not a charge card. Like Platinum charge is a different product. मतलब मेरे को अगर मेरा कोई भी बड़ा Marriott redemption है, so for example I was telling Adil I want to do Serengeti this time. So अगर Serengeti करना है तो मुझे चाहिए plat charge. मतलब no matter I'm not going without a gold status पक्के से.
Right.
So but is there any other advantage of having a charge card?
So if you are traveling like for a longer period of time, and especially when you are using these Accors and Marriotts, so you don't have to worry about the limit of your card, especially in
Fair.
the situations when you're
Flexi limit.
using your card for deposit guarantee at the time of check-in, right? तो अभी आप कहीं पे भी हो तो they minimum they'll do like 50,000 70,000 they take it, so you don't have to think about
Fair.
it, just pull out the card and give it to
Yeah.
them. So
Yeah, so yeah, that's my
that is the
stack.
only
Yeah.
thing I don't have to worry about कि हाँ अब कितना limit बचा है.
Fair.
That's a
And the other case scenario is for like emergency purposes because since it's a charge card, so God forbid nothing should happen.
Even on
but yeah,
fuel, I think. Even fuel.
yeah,
is a
even
good
fuel.
use case,
So
yeah.
basically, charge cards. I mean, gold charge also gives you points for your fuel. So I generally go
but
to
बंद
HP
कर दिया है शायद
because
अब उन्होंने.
नहीं मिल रहा है
I don't
points.
think
अभी
so.
मिल
But
रहा
yeah,
है?
I still
Okay.
get my points.
Okay.
So what's your stack, Kusumish?
I have Plaid Travel and I have Gold Charge Card.
Okay.
So I use both of them. So every month, like what he's not doing, I
No,
do
I
that.
wanted to do.
हाँ,
Unfortunately,
so
the
can
reality
you
is
just
मैं कर नहीं
explain
रहा
for our
हूँ.
users
Ah,
exactly what?
So basically, every month I take my Gold Charge Card and I go to Gifter Portal and I buy Amazon Pay vouchers.
It's now Shopwise, not
Now
Gifter
it's
anymore.
Shopwise. Yeah, now it's
Yeah,
Shopwise.
yeah.
So I buy 1,000 rupees worth of Amazon Pay vouchers for 5 times,
Okay.
and the 6th time will be the 5,000 rupee voucher.
So 10,000 worth
is like that.
Amazon Pay.
Yeah,
You
and
get
I'm getting
5x on the
5x.
gold charge.
Yes.
So
And any other vouchers if I want, I will use that.
no, so
Otherwise-
hang on. So you get 5x on the gold charge. That's
Yeah.
one. So you're spending 10,000 rupees, you're getting 1250. Thoda bahut convenience fees extra jayega, that's
Ah,
fine.
that's
Just
fine.
1%.
But along with that, what is the benefit of swiping it 6 times? Let's
Yeah, because the gold charge has a thing called if you swipe it for 6 times 1,000 rupee transactions, you'll get 1,000 points extra. So
Per
that is
month.
like per month. Each month you have that.
So basically, then
like a
what
milestone
happens
thing.
is, if
Yeah.
you're using it with Gifter, instead of
Shopwise.
1250, sorry, yeah, if you're using it at Shopwise, instead of 1250,
Yeah.
you get 2250.
Yeah.
So the rate of return practically doubles.
Correct.
Is what you're saying. So on your Amazon Pay,
Yeah.
you're getting close to 20%.
Yes.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि मेरा एक्सेल शीट में था वो कि 11-12% मिलेगा
लेकिन आपके लिए वो एफर्ट रिवॉर्ड रेशियो बहुत ज्यादा है.
एक्चुअली नहीं है मतलब हम तो करते ही है बट सम रीजन एवरी मंथ आई आइदर मिस डूइंग इट
या नहीं हो रहा है for whatever
नहीं हो रहा है
reason.
तो मतलब
Yeah.
देन द रियलिटी टू एक्सेप्ट इट दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग
Yeah.
For example, like each month for 10,000 rupees spent, you're getting 2,000 points.
इट्स अ वेरी गुड
Correct.
इवन
So,
MRCC इज
yeah.
वेरी गुड इन दैट सेंस लाइक
Yeah.
So let's talk about MRCC. आपके पास MRCC है. MRCC का यूज केस क्या? Why are you using it?
I'm using it mainly for those 4 transactions,
1,500 into 4.
1,500 each.
Just dumb it down and describe. Like,
Yes. So, like, as he rightly said, like for MRCC, the option is you use that card on Shopwise to buy vouchers. 1,500 के 4 transactions,
ठीक है.
and that makes it the same amount, 6,000.
Correct.
You earn 1,000 bonus points.
Okay.
Plus, when you hit the milestone of 20,000 spends every month, you get another 1,000 points.
सो
And this is for every month cycle.
Right.
So in an entire year, you are making
24,000
24,000 points.
एंड प्लस आई थिंक वो उस पेज पे वो इट बिकम्स एनीवेज फ्री द फी इज गॉन
Yeah.
बिकॉज़ द फी
It has
एनीवेज
a fee waiver also.
fee waiver at that
Yes.
condition. So that's one. Secondly, you can use that 20,000 का जो milestone का thing for tax. For people who don't have a good tax card, you can just swipe that 20,000 for tax, for example.
Right.
And even the 1,500 into 4 that you do, I think it has 3x multiplier
2x,
on Shopwise.
2x.
3x, है ना?
No,
No.
MRCC is 2x. I think.
MRCC is 2x.
2x. Okay.
Yes.
Got it. So that is
3x is for platinum travel.
got it.
Yeah. So that is my, like, pretty much I'm using
And
it
is
only
your
for that.
gold charge usage same like him or is it different?
It's pretty much same, and as I said, that's my fallback plan whenever I want to
Correct.
close my charge card.
Yeah.
The good thing with Amex is I'm using that in Plat Charge. I don't know if it is also in Gold Charge. Is that you can get a secondary card in your name
Yeah, the AC
Correct.
card.
as
AC
well.
card.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have one another card which I use for my training purposes and writing my cybersecurity exams. So reimbursement के time पे it's easy because on that
Right.
statement.
Yeah.
सब कुछ एक ही पे है.
Yeah, so the AC card wala चीज बहुत सही है. I think let's talk it for our audience, right? So
Yeah.
basically, all cards come with add-on card options, right? So you can get add-on for your family. In I think Plat Charge case, you can also get an add-on for a friend. I think, if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken. So from the 4 add-on cards that are free, you can also add one more add-on, which
Correct.
is on your own name, but
Correct.
it's called AC card.
Correct.
Correct.
AC is basically your extra
Account.
line of
Account.
account that you
card.
do.
Yeah.
For example, I used it for my reimbursement like he did, right? तो जो भी चीज अभी हम spend कर रहे हैं podcast के लिए, for example, right? I will spend it on this so that I can differentiate my personal spending from the podcast spending. जब मुझे आदिल के साथ तो match करना है कि tally करना है, spend this much, it's just easy,
Correct.
right? So, and again, I think it's a beautiful feature that a lot of other cards can actually add to it, right? So,
Correct. Yeah. So that way it is really good. And the other use cases that you want me to talk about, like for Plat Charge, is where I use it a lot to get my visas, especially for Schengen
You
region.
work with the concierge team for this.
Yes. So I only purely use it to get my confirmed reservations. तो मैं आँख बंद करके कॉन्सियर्ज को कॉल करता हूँ. मैं बोलता हूँ मेरे को पेरिस जाना है, ये डेट से ये डेट है. मेरे को ये रेस्टोरेंट ये होटल बुक करना है एंड इट हैज़ टू बी 100% रिफंडेबल, ये फ़्लाइट बुक करनी है 100% रिफंडेबल फ्लैक्स पे। मेरे पास टिकट्स आ गए, मैंने प्रिंट आउट निकाल लिया, मैंने वीज़ा फॉर्म में लगा दिया, मेरा वीज़ा आ गया, आई कॉल्ड देम एंड आई कैंसिल इट एंड देन आई बुक इट
Solid.
अगेन विद देम, I book it again with them, but with a better offer. Like that idea is just to get my visa thing sorted. So
हाँ मतलब ये बहुत अच्छा थिंग है। आई टेल यू व्हाई आदिल, राइट? आई मीन एट द फर्स्ट स्टेज इट साउंड लाइक यार क्यों कर रहे हो तुम, बट इफ आई लुक एट इट, मैं तो हर बार रिफंडेबल टिकट्स बुक करता ही उस इंजन से पहले, राइट? टू बी एबल फॉर समबडी टू हेल्प यू डू दैट, आइडेंटिफाई कि भाई वरना मेरे को पता नहीं कि फिर टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन चेक करो पूरा रिफंडेबल है क्या नहीं है,
Right.
वो एटलीस्ट दे विल मेक श्योर दैट इट्स डन इन द राइट मैनर।
and I know that it doesn't really much matter, but you know when your reservations come on a Amex documents, right? So that
ये खतरनाक
I
है
think
मतलब
Perception battle.
परसेप्शन।
yeah, so I think for countries which have a like very straight spine, especially the Scandinavian regions, right, जहाँ एकदम कट टू कट वीजा मिलता है आपको, so when they have those documents, they have confidence in you that
Yeah, but it looks like a very smart insight यार, मुझे पता नहीं कि
yeah.
what perception plays
I
on
never
that।
thought of it
मतलब
actually.
इमेजिन करो कि तुम ऐसे मतलब अकबर ट्रैवल्स का टिकट है या कोई रैंडम ट्रैवल्स का टिकट है वर्सेस एमेक्स का है, तो मे बी देयर इज अ कॉर्पोरेट बुकिंग है, क्या पता उनको क्या मालूम पड़ा कि इट्स अ ग्रेट पॉइंट।
राइट नहीं, एनीवेज लाइक समटाइम्स ऐसा भी हो जाता है ना कि आपने अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड से ही बुक किया है, आपने bookings.com पे जाके आपने बुक किया है, बट उसमें एक वो लिखा रहता है ना पे एट द होटल, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक डाउट रहता है,
Got it,
राइट? तो
got
वो लाइक दिस गिव्स यू लाइक अ गुड क्रेडिटेबिलिटी कि भाई बंदा एमएक्स से बुक करके आ रहा है, तो जैसा कार्ड का वजन है वैसे बंदे का भी है।
बट आई थिंक लाइक वन प्रॉपर डिवैल्यूएशन आदिल जो लास्ट ईयर हुआ वो ये था कि उन्होंने कार्ड्स ही बंद कर दिए। आई डोंट इवन नो वेदर दैट वी कैन कॉल इट अ डिवैल्यूएशन, बट दैट चेंज, like all of us expected this to happen, change in 3-4 months. I think that the highest अभी लोगों ने give up कर दिया है। Nobody is talking about कि when these cards will start again, right? So genuinely some of them were great cards. Now assuming that the cards are not coming back, I want to spend some time talking about the change of the 4 lakh to 7 lakh milestone. If like let's talk about it, Adil, maybe you can start and talk about what this change means for you. How are you going to change? Where were you using the milestone earlier? How are you going to use it now? Like if you can talk about it, and then we'll just go around the room.
Yeah, so 4 lakhs, I think was like the sweet spot. Such a no-brainer. You spend 4 lakhs, you get 40,000 points, you get 10,000 ka Taj gift voucher. It's like the sweetest redemption always. And Amex points are so versatile. Worst case scenario is Marriott Bonvoy. Ideal case scenario, if you have a moonshot redemption in Hilton, this is a very under-tapped and underutilized program. I've spoken about this in the past.
Sure.
Third, my favorite used to be moving it to Emirates. लेकिन अब तो वो भी बंद हो गया last year से. But every time you are short of points in KrisFlyer, you are short of points in Avios, you are
Instant
short
transfers, yeah.
instant transfers, that really helps. So airline transfers के लिए बहुत powerful है. In terms of spends, wherever there was spends, like for example fuel के लिए, that is the default card that I used to use. Because if my monthly spend on fuel, let's say, is going to be 7,000-8,000 rupees, if I'm spending that 8,000 rupees, मेरा साल का at least 1 लाख रुपए उधर चले
उधर
गया.
से हो गया, correct.
Which is great, right? मतलब मेरा fuels में point नहीं मिलते कभी भी.
Correct.
And I like to fill petrol only at Shell. तो मेरे को Shell
मतलब ऐसे ही
points
points
मिलते
मिलते
हैं.
हैं, correct.
And I have a bias towards Shell for whatever reason.
Correct.
It's also convenience. So then what happens is then that 1 lakh rupees is taken care of there only. Next, what I used to do is I used to use it for the insurance spends. But now, interestingly, what has happened is HDFC is calling us saying that Infinia पे भी आप खर्चा करो. तो उधर भी अगर, now I don't know, I was given the 3 lakh thing that I had to do by 30th of April, जो मैंने कर दिया है. But if they don't ask me to do the 18 lakhs, then my insurance spend continues to happen here. And by virtue of that, a significant amount gets completed. And whatever is remaining, then you use gift vouchers
Correct.
via Amazon and you finish that off.
Perfect. आप तो, but what was your, like when you first heard the news of 4 to 7, like what was the instant reaction कि नहीं अब तो नहीं करूँगा use, like what was your like,
Instant reaction was, यार ये devalue हो गया.
हाँ.
But when they said 22,500 मिल रहा है,
हाँ.
एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आदमी ने मेरे को समझाया कि कर लो. वो आदमी मेरे सामने बैठा है, मिस्टर धीमंत. उसने बोला कि देखो तुम्हारे ये डिस्क्रिशनरी स्पेंड्स हैं जहां तुमको पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलते हैं, जस्ट यूज इट देयर. That's where
But
I'm
next
using it.
time, next year नहीं होगा ना वो. This is only for this year. So this year you got an additional 20 to 500. Hence it made sense.
We'll cross that road when we get there, no?
Fair.
At least I have time till September to figure that out. And I have certain amount of spends that I have to make. वो हो जाएगा उससे.
What about you, Kusumash? Where do you use a flat travel? How
I
did you react to
most-
the 4 to 7?
Basically, I didn't mind at all.
Okay.
Because I mean, I need my Marriott points because I like Marriott stays, and I really like, as you say, the Goldshire. So whenever I can, wherever I can try to squeeze the Marriott points, I'll try to squeeze it. And yeah, like you said, mostly I use it for tax payments and utility payments. They are never-ending payments, so I have to anyway pay that. So anyway, even though it is 4 lakhs or 7 lakhs, I will eventually reach it.
So give me a breakup of 4. Like where you used to do 4 earlier. Like
So
what was the
earlier,
breakup?
what used to happen is my first, when the cycle started, my Amex cycle starts in Jan. So the first 2-3 months, whenever I can finish, I try to finish the 4 lakhs first on that card. Then I change to any other card. Then I'll keep it in the
Got
drawer. I
it.
never use it again.
Got it.
So typically by March you are done with your entire cycle of Amex.
Huh. So it happened. It used to happen like in March, April, but this time I couldn't do that. I was trying to do before March because they had that time
4
frame.
to 7. Yeah, correct.
But I couldn't do that. But it's okay. I can use it for my fuel spends and other tax payments and
But you will still do 7, no? You will finish
yeah,
7.
yeah. I think now I finish around 5.5 or something. I will finish that 7, and yeah. So
I'll tell you-
excluded points, excluded categories. It's a no-brainer to be honest.
Got it. And next year also you feel that even for 7 lakhs, getting those 40,000 points is still a great return for you, and because it converts to Marriott at 1:1.
Huh. And see, right now I'm using it wherever the points are. I mean, the categories are excluded. So that
Which
makes
other
sense.
cards anyways don't give points for.
Huh.
I'll tell you one underrated hack for Amex Plat Travel. तो पहले मैं भी ऐसे I used to use it like him. So my cycle is also January. Republic Day के दिन मेरा कार्ड रीसेट होता है 26 Jan.
मेरे को ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है ये ऐसी स्टोरी आनी मैं पहले बहुत परेशान था फिर उसके बाद मैंने ये जुगाड़ा और मैं खुश हो गया और चलो
So I'll tell you what happened, right? So I've been carrying this card for the longest periods now. I don't remember the year also. My first Kingfisher Amex card, they gave me an option when they shut it down कि Plat Travel ले लो तो मैंने मना कर दिया. फिर second time Jet जब close हुआ तभी they offer किया तो I took it. Lifetime free मिला मुझे card तो I took it. And 4 लाख का जो spend का sweet spot था, I used to do every year the same way. First 4 lakhs is always to go on Amex, especially because there are few merchants who don't take Amex. तो जहाँ भी चलता था मैं swipe कर देता था. 1 year finally I got frustrated. I saying, spending फालतू पैसा नहीं करना है पैसा. इस बार नहीं करेंगे 4 लाख. I'll use other cards which was there. I have better cards. So I did not do swipe it at all. Then suddenly what happened in October, they came up with an offer saying कि आप इतना spend करो तो extra voucher मिलेंगे. So my underrated hack is what I after that started doing is I would finish 1.9. I would not do 4. Okay. Then I would wait for a double dip offer. या तो they would give an insurance पे spend पे offer or they would say कि यार ये spend कर लो.
Yes.
Then I would go back and even do like either a Tanishq purchase. Then they started excluding Tanishq after a point. But that was, and I still feel that if you are one of those guys who cannot hit 7, 4 कर लो or yeah 1.9 कर लो and then wait a little bit till the time you hit this double dip offers. Once you hit that double dip, it makes total sense because you start getting more points.
Right.
Lot of people do this mistake where they finish 4 and 7, now they'll finish at one go because, but sometimes you will earn more out of that double dip is what I feel.
मेरा और एक मानना है धीमंत यहाँ पे कि और ये भी गलती कर करके ही सीखा है पहले फर्स्ट साथ खत्म मत करो
हाँ.
like life will always surprise you with certain
some
expenses
opportunity, yeah.
that will hit up that you were not expecting
Exactly.
and it will turn out in life कि those are all in the excluded category
Exactly.
फिर suddenly that is where milestone based cards
Yeah.
come to your rescue
100%.
which is where something like an Atlas is great with the milestone benefit, which is where HDFC Marriott Bonvoy is great with the milestone benefit, Qatar IndusInd Avios is great, but the best, truly the best is the Amex.
Yeah.
Nothing is sweeter than the Amex Plat Travel.
I agree.
तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि वो स्पेंड ना पहले 3-4 महीने साल के करो ही मत,
Correct.
तुम छोड़ दो.
Agreed.
अप्रैल मई के बाद इसको यूज करना शुरू करो. नॉन डिस्क्रिशनरी स्पेंड फ्यूल के स्पेंड्स जो टाइप के हैं जहां पॉइंट्स
वो हर महीने कर लो.
वो हर महीने मारते जाओ.
बट और एक चीज इसका एडवांटेज है पता है व्हाट हैपेंस इज इफ यू finish your 4th lakh or the 7th lakh now afterwards your Taj validity also increases because you get a Taj voucher and then suddenly you're in the pressure of saying अब Taj voucher आ गया मुझे use करना है, unless you have a stay, in which case you want to finish the milestone
अभी तो
faster.
इजी हो गया है, अब तो जाके खाना खा लो, you don't necessarily have to stay or use a
अरे
spa.
आदिल, ऐसा मैं आपको बताता हूँ, एक्चुअल में क्या है ना कि लाइफ में बहुत अरमान होते हैं।
हाँ जी,
और
समझ
जैसे
रहा हूँ मैं,
आपने बोला है ना,
आपके बैंकॉक के अरमान समझ रहा हूँ मैं।
नहीं,
हाँ
मैं
जी।
किसी और चीज की बात कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा,
और जैसे आपने बोला ना कि लाइफ सरप्राइज करती है,
हाँ जी,
तो ऐसे हर किसी की अपनी अपनी बकेट लिस्ट होती है कि यार
हाँ,
ये
बिल्कुल।
करना है, वो करना है, ये करना है। कुछ ऐसी भी होती है कि आप श्योर नहीं होते हो कि ये चीज़ें होंगी कि नहीं होंगी। तो यूट्यूब पे आजकल एक बहुत पॉडकास्ट फेमस चल रहा है, द ग्रेट इंडियन माइल शो, और उस पे एक बहुत फेमस बंदा है धीमन। वो ना एक दिन आके बम गिराता है,
हाँ,
बोलता है कतर स्टेटस मैच हो रहा है,
हाँ जी।
ठीक है, तो वो आपका जो अरमान है वो कीड़े में तब्दील होता है, ठीक है।
मेरी सब लोग मार रहे हैं आजकल, ऐसा
ये
क्या चल
सही
रहा है?
और वो टाइमिंग ऐसा था कि मेरे पास वो 10,000 का ताज का वाउचर तभी आया था।
हाँ,
तो मैं कोच्चि से जाके फ्लाइट लिया और कोच्चि के ताज में रुका, और बाद में मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है ये धीमन की वजह से ये सारी चीजें हो रही है। तो
मैं-
यू नो
I was talking
ये
about
जो
the curtain.
सुलेमानी चीज ये बता रहा है ना।
So मैं और आदिल आपस में बात करते हैं ना, कभी कभी मैं इसको पूछता हूँ कि क्यों कर रहा है तू, तो ये कुछ आंसर नहीं देता, एक वर्ड बोलता है, खुजली. So one day randomly he just closed his platinum charge. Next day मैं इसको बोला अप्लाई कर दिया सर वापस, बोला क्यों, बोलता खुजली.
तो जो आप बोल रहे हो ना कि 7 लाख का स्पेंड होएगा कि नहीं होएगा, आप ये पॉडकास्ट सुनोगे तो हो जाएगा, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ।
नहीं, सी आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड कि फॉर एग्जांपल लाइफ में काफी चीजें मैथ से चलती है और दिमाग से तुम डिसीजंस लेते हो, लेकिन एटलीस्ट मेरे को लगा है कि जो भी फैसले मैंने दिल से लिए ना लाइफ में,
It
वो
worked
सबसे
out.
अच्छे रहे हैं। वो फिर दिमाग बोलता है ये गलत है, बट यू फील लाइक अरे ये किया, अब मैं खुश हूँ, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू, ये मेरे दिल के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। सो आई फील लाइक कभी कभी लाइफ में दिल की भी
ये तो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है धीमन थाईलैंड में बात कर रहा है।
After his fifth drink. But I'm going to summarize this quickly. I mean, this is quite eye-opening because everybody said devaluation, but I'm hearing 4-0 here. Like, I would not close my card for 7 lakhs. I was anyways not closed because mine is lifetime free. You don't mind the change. Sorry, love to is a bad word.
No,
You don't
I'll-
mind the change. You don't mind the
Yeah.
change. Then I would surely say 48,000 points है, जो भी 40,000 points
So
है.
this is subject to what happens after September.
What is September?
Because they are saying up to 7 lakh rupees, you will get 22,500.
No, it is
extra
clear.
points.
Unlike HDFC,
For
they have
me-
made it all clear.
Yeah, for
After
me it's
this,
till March. For me, it's
Yeah.
showing till March.
no, but it's clear.
Because I assume that this is only till, because my app पे जो offer says कि आपको 22nd सितंबर के पहले 7 लाख खर्च करने
Next
हैं।
cycle तक.
नहीं, मेरा 22nd सितंबर दिखा रहा है on the app.
Okay.
Okay, 22,500 and I completed that spend 2 days
Yeah.
back.
Got
मेरे को
the
मिल गए
version. हाँ,
22,500. Now what I'm keen to know is what happens after my renewal.
But they
The
already told
terms
that.
stay the same or will they change?
They'll change.
तो अब ये बताओ, जब मेरा renewal होगा, what happens? Like if I spend 7 lakhs in the next renewal cycle, what do I get?
So they have made two changes, Adil, right? पहले कैसे था 1.9 पे you would get 7,500 credited to your account. You then chat with Amex, you get another 7,500. That makes it 15,000. उसके बाद 4 लाख पे आपको और points मिलते थे. Again split into 10 and 15. एक मांगना पड़ता है, एक automatic आ जाता था. So they made two changes. They said अभी आपको कुछ भी chat से मांगना नहीं पड़ेगा. I think which we had multiple times spoken about in the pod कि क्या है, भीख मांगो मैं दे दो मेरा point. So that is covered. Second change that has happened is at 1.9 you will hit 7,500 in your account straight. आपने जिस दिन 1.9 hit किया 7,500 will hit your account. 4 पे another 10,000 will hit your account. 7 पे another 22,500 will hit.
Got it.
तो points remain the same. So net आप जो 4 लाख करके कमा रहे थे आप 7 लाख करके कमाओगे.
So the only devaluation is that 4 lakhs पे जो 40,000 मिलता था, अभी 7 lakhs पे 40,000 मिलेगा.
Exactly.
लेकिन इसमें एक hidden revaluation भी है. The revaluation is of the Taj voucher. So Taj voucher पहले तुम सिर्फ accommodation के लिए use कर सकते थे. Now you can use it for food and beverage. You can also use it for spa
But that is
without stay.
Yeah, that is independent of this change because वो पहले ही हो चुका था.
But still, earlier there was still a limiting factor that you had to go and stay. But this is liberating कि अगर I don't have to do a forced stay ना.
Other liberating is that you can always book in any rate now. You
Yeah.
don't need to book the bar rate, which
Exactly.
is the problem because bar rate पे anyways हमको 10-15% discount तो मिल जाता था.
Correct.
So that's fair. I think I wouldn't necessarily call it a revaluation. द अदर गुड पार्ट इज दैट आप जो 4 से 7 लाख के बीच में जो स्पेंड करते हो उस पे भी बेस तो यू विल अर्न इफ यू स्पेंड इट ऑन नॉन एक्सक्लूडेड
Correct.
कैटेगरीज राइट सो दैट्स ओके आई मीन इट्स नॉट दैट बैड स्पेशली इफ यू स्पेंड इट ऑन द शॉप वाइज इट्स नॉट दैट
Yes,
बैड राइट
यार प्लेट चार्ज के बारे में बताओ क्षितिज, और क्या यूज केसेस है?
फ्लैट चार्ज के बारे में एक यूनिक चीज़ जो है वो ये है कि जो आपको मिनिमम उसमें पॉइंट चाहिए रहता है वो 40 रुपए में मिलता है।
करेक्ट,
जनरली आपको ऐसे कार्ड्स नहीं मिलेंगे, मतलब आपको यहाँ तो 100 पे 2 मिलेगा, 150 पे 2
Correct,
मिलेगा,
correct.
राइट? तो एक आपके जो छोटे ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल ये सबका केस नहीं हो सकता है, बट मैं ऑफिस में इफ आई हैव टू स्वाइप इट फॉर अ जूस, लेट्स से, राइट, आई डोंट हैव टू टेक आउट माय यूपीआई थिंग एंड डू दैट। आई एम इवन अर्निंग ऑन दैट ऑन एवरीडे
भाई
बेसिस।
स्वैग से प्लेट चार्ज से टैप करेगा।
जूस पीने के लिए जूस
तो या
But
दैट
you're
इज
saying basically even small transaction of $40 will get you a point.
करेक्ट। या मतलब यू डोंट हैव टू वरी कि यार मैं
Like
मतलब
earlier, ideally the closest one that comes is Atlas, which is 100 rupees ka,
करेक्ट
to earn 2 points.
करेक्ट
But this is 40 पे 1 point, so your earn opportunity is there for every single smallest use case.
Correct.
मेरे को ना वो वीर दास का वो याद आ गया कॉमेडी शो में, द स्टोरी ऑफ टू इंडियाज। बोला तुम दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा कार्ड होल्ड कर रहे हो लेकिन तुम 40 रुपए के स्पेंड पे 1 रुपया निकाल रहे हो,
देखो
कितना देती है इंडिया का। परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ हाउ इंडियंस आर राइट। सो
And
राइट
also for other American Express cards, for 50 rupees also you'll get 1 point.
करेक्ट।
यस
बट टेल मी वन थिंग, लाइक ये तो ठीक है, वन इज द पॉइंट्स पीस राइट। मेरे माइंड में अ कार्ड विच गिव्स यू मेंबरशिप्स और लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम स्टेटस, मेरे लिए वो बहुत क्रिटिकल है।
करेक्ट।
लाइक सो हाउ मच डू यू वैल्यू दैट, लाइक व्हाट इज योर
A lot,
So-
because I also stay on revenues in Marriott, and I sometimes also use their Club Marriott thing. I have the membership for Club Marriott for multiple properties. So even when I'm using my Club Marriott के stay में it's only room only most of the time, right? So just because you are gold, आपने यदि वो email address आपका map करके रखा है, they identify you as a gold member when you are checking in, and your breakfast is taken care.
नॉट ऑलवेज ना, लाइक प्लैटिनम इज द ब्रेकफास्ट फ्री राइट, बट गोल्ड पे काफी बार दे देता है। लाइक आई थिंक दे गिव इट बट इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉमिस, नो
it's not a promise.
इट्स नॉट अ
Not a
प्रॉमिस।
It's not a promise, but
most of the times
they-
you will get it.
But most of the times, like it's not written,
Yeah.
but yeah, they entertain it.
आई मीन टू बी ऑनेस्ट, लाइक आप कोई भी अगर प्रॉपर्टी पे जा रहे हो जहां पे आपको लगता है कि ये मेमोरी बनने वाली है, यू वांट टू गो विद सम स्टेटस सो दैट यू आर ट्रीटेड वेल। आई थिंक दैट्स
Right.
व्हाट आई थिंक।
So you can also gift a status with your family or friend. So as a supplementary card, they'll get one gold
Yeah.
membership of Marriott.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's
And
also
ITC was going with an offer earlier, right, for the status match. So with Marriott Gold, Bonvoy Gold, I got that ITC Gold status.
yeah.
So that is
Hilton
one
Gold
thing.
is very undervalued because Hilton say in Asia you get free breakfast.
Yes.
Oh yes.
So
Yes.
that is a very undervalued perk.
By
And
the way,
then-
you don't know, you know this right, that Hilton is among the few chains, अगर आपने OTT से भी बुक किया, they respect your status. So I've been to Hilton multiple times, in the Mumbai one specifically, they give you upgrades. They will never tell you कि तुम यार तुमने Make My Trip से बुक किया है, तुम Hilton Gold हो, बकवास जाओ, हम नहीं केयर करते। They will give you the upgrade. They may not give you breakfast, but they will at least honor the upgrade. They will treat you like gold. That's another big Hilton Gold
Yes.
advantage.
Yes, that is there. Plus another thing is 5 times in a year they give you free travel insurance for up to 7 days, right? So you just have to write an
क्या?
email to
ये
them.
मेरे को पता ही नहीं है।
Yes.
हाँ,
So
on the plat charge.
How do you do that? Nick, I
So,
don't know this feature.
so there is an email address on which you have to write an email with your outbound and inbound flights and your passport number, and pretty much that's it. And they will send you it covers up to $50,000. The only thing
तुम ये
is
बोल रहे हो कि मैं अगर ये बैंकॉक ट्रिप पे अगर उनको मेल भेजता,
मैं हर बार
और बोलता
करता
कि मेरे
हूँ।
3 दिन का एक इंश्योरेंस कवर
Yeah.
करो, दे वुड गेट।
मैं हर बार करता हूँ, वहीं से लेकर
साल में
जाता
5
हूँ।
बार।
बीइंग अ गुज्जू मुझे शर्म आ रही है, मेरा तीसरा साल है ये फ्लैट चार्ज का, आई नॉट यूज दिस फीचर मैन। ओके ग्रेट।
So yes, so आराम से आपके वहाँ पे up to 1,000 rupees आराम से बच जाता है, because it's a $50,000 तक का आपका कवरेज है
Yeah.
उसमें। The only caveat there is it's not cashless, so you get the reimbursements once you are back.
okay.
Yeah, जो कि is not a problem at all with a limitless card.
But I have like one question, Adil ji, आपको specifically you, because I know that you always take the flat charge for the welcome bonus. Imagine a world where the bonus stops coming, okay, and all the card features remain as is. आपको 60,000 ताज मिल रहा है, would you take the card, would you not take? Because this is a common problem that people are facing.
For Taj, I'll take the HSBC Taj card. Why will I take this
Yeah.
card?
Because you need the card for other stuff, na? Like
Yeah, but if you're not giving me the welcome bonus, where bulk of my points
No, they are
are
giving you
coming,
welcome bonus, but they're
Huh.
not giving you the MR. They're probably giving you something else. You would not opt for it.
depends on what is it that you're giving me. If you're giving me Taj, then
You
I
won't.
don't need it because I'll take the Taj card. That comes with the platinum status. Taj platinum status, which is solid. That gives me access to the Chambers Lounge 12 times a year. Solid.
Crazy.
4 spa visits a year. Solid. 8 meals a year. Solid. 2 suite nights. Solid. 2 room nights. Solid. यार
The price
3x तो
difference
value
is
निकाल
not
सकता हूँ
that
आराम से.
crazy. The price difference between both cards is actually not
around
very
That is a
crazy.
net
40,000
net
that's
Taj card, basically, right?
It's a net Taj card.
Yeah.
But it like if that's what if you enjoy holidaying in India and you have a thing for Tajness or Taj Luxury Palace hotels,
Right.
this is a great card,
Yeah,
no
so,
brainer.
yeah, so this
Yeah,
is
what I
but
mean is
this
like
is my number one wish-
HSBC Taj and Pledge Charge is not a right comparison because it's like जो वैरायटी है जो आपको MX चार्ज दे रहा है.
मैं कंपेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज द रियलिटी ऑफ मोस्ट पीपल, राइट? मोस्ट पीपल हु वांट द प्लान. अभी ये एपिसोड भी देखेंगे लोग, पहला कमेंट यही आएगा कि मुझे प्लेट चार्ज चाहिए लेकिन मुझे MR नहीं मिल रहा है, मैं क्या करूँ?
आई एम सॉरी, I'm taking your role here a bit. क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा फ्लिप करता हूँ कि आपको ताज की जगह लेट से
1 लाख MR दे दिया.
1 लाख नहीं, आपको 1 लाख वर्थ ऑफ स्टेज इन मैरियट या हिल्टन दे दिया,
I
फिर
mean,
आप
what
लोगे
would
कि
you
नहीं
take
लोगे?
instead? Let's make it a wish list for
या ओबेरॉय
Amex.
दे दिया, आप लोगे नहीं
Give me
लोगे?
air miles, yeah.
Air miles.
Just give me air miles. Give me anything. Give me Chris Flyer. Give me
1 लाख एयर माइल दे रहे होते तो 1 लाख MR ही दे देते तुमको वो, क्योंकि एनीवेज उनका रेशियो 2:1 है. They would not give you 1 lakh air
give
miles.
me Chris Flyer, I'm okay. Give me Qatar, I'm okay. Give me British Airways, I'm okay. Give me
60,000.
Etihad, I'm okay.
60,000.
60,000, okay. Done.
50,000 to 60,000
Done.
airlines makes sense.
यार
Fair.
बिकॉज आप सोचो ना धीमन, मेरे
Fair.
को लंदन 55,000 में कतर क्यू स्वीट्स मिलेगा
Fair.
जिसका वैल्यू आराम से 2 लाख रुपए है.
And
मैं
would you
दे दूंगा
take,
पैसे
and would
उसके
you
लिए.
take if the joining bonus became 1 lakh MR, would you still take it? I mean, if you had no option, there's no point of negotiation. I mean, let's say it's a product feature, would you take it? Because that's what's being offered as an alternate for either through calling them or via at the airport. I'm seen at best 1 lakh MR.
I think I'm okay with that. You know why?
Same.
Because 50,000 मेरे को अगर क्यू स्वीट्स में मिलता है, मेरे को सिर्फ 5,000 एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए. I will buy those
Fair.
from American Express at 40 paisa per point. With GST that comes to 4,800, which means the cost of my card then goes up from 78,000 to 82,000.
Perfect.
82,000 रुपीज में मेरे को 55,000 MR मिल गया क्यू स्वीट्स के लिए. दैट क्यू स्वीट्स वैल्यू इज 2 लाख रुपीज.
आराम से.
मेरे को यहाँ पे मिल गया ये 78,000 रुपीज में, और मेरे को मेरे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्टेटस मिल गए, मेरे को इंश्योरेंस मिल गया. Along with that, then I have the backing
You
of
can buy
American
Amazon.
Express
You can again buy Amazon Pay
at
vouchers.
5x.
Yeah.
पूरा
Which
OTT
I
का
anyways
आपको
do
सीरीज
every
मिल
month.
गया जो
And then the best part
Marriott
is
Gold
I can swipe this anywhere without stress ना.
Right.
जहाँ पर भी मेरे को स्ट्रेस है कि I'm not sure about the vendor, I just swipe.
So here is my recommendation then for people. अगर तुमको 1.25 लाख वाला ऑफर मिल रहा है तो ले लो आंख बंद करके. इफ यू नीड द कार्ड,
100%.
बिल्कुल.
if you don't get it, don't fret. Try to get it at the airport or via referral and requesting them to instead of 60,000 Taj, agar if you can give me 1 lakh MR, I think it's a great deal. And मुझे लगता है in the new world, if that's the reality, my wish list number 1 for Amex. Please make it a product feature. Don't make us negotiate and beg with people कि मतलब दूसरा कुछ दे दो यार, दे दो ना
Yeah,
सीधा
you
1
should
lakh
just
MR.
give either Amex points or Taj
Yeah,
vouchers.
exactly.
Don't force us to take Taj.
Yeah. Nee, but in fact, their Amex points convert to Taj at a ratio, no? There's a ratio that they convert the points at. वही ratio में मेरे को equivalent MR दे दो. It doesn't matter, na? How does it matter? It's the same thing. It's as much as me converting the MR points to Taj.
Yeah.
Then
But
it's
I am
1
waiting for the
1.2
time
lakh
when
points.
I mean, that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. 1 lakh भी दे दो यार,
It makes
चलेगा.
sense to get the points only.
but I'm waiting for the time when Amex comes with something like a co-branded thing with airlines.
Dude, that is what my wish list number 2 is. Now I want to cover this. मैंने इसके ऊपर रील बनाया. मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ Amex के India is ready for Amex. I'm telling you.
Yes.
14 cards they have in the US. Recently they were running this Marriott Brilliant card. Crazy joining bonus यार,
Yeah,
200K MR कुछ तो joining bonus था. Like
मैं उससे भी अच्छा बोल रहा हूँ तुमको, मैरियट इज अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन. यार तुम एयर इंडिया निकालो
यार
Amex
वो-
के साथ, और तुम
Accor.
अकॉर निकालो अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस के साथ. बॉस किलर कॉम्बिनेशन.
सर आप ये करने बोल रहे हो जो उन्होंने नहीं किया कहीं पे. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जस्ट रेप्लिकेट एटलीस्ट द
The
यूएस
same global playbook, yeah.
मैरियट तो कर सकते हो ना. मैरियट इज योर लाइक सुपर डुपर पार्टनर. एचडीएफसी
Right.
मैरियट इज अ ग्रेट 300-500 कार्ड.
And
Get me a
there you
10,000
get,
rupee card.
you get platinum status by the
Yeah.
way through that card in the US.
Exactly. Get me a 10,000 rupee card of Marriott चलेगा. 10,000 रुपए वाला एक इंडिया में Amex Marriott कार्ड. people would latch on. आपने किंगफिशर के साथ किया था, आपने
Jet.
जेट के साथ किया था. Like what's wrong? I mean, है इंडिया में डिमांड यार. I think
If American Express launches co-branded with Accor, no one will take Travel One. That is my, I mean, that is the main
I mean,
use
we'll
case
see
for
because,
Travel One is Accor right now because of the
you
accident.
don't
Air India
know
is
what
not
you don't
happening.
know.
Air India will not happen.
I
highly
just
doubt it.
hope they come up with a brilliant Air India card that is so the
but
need of the
but you
hour
know,
for domestic
I
travel.
have always seen that Amex is very much aligned with
Marriott.
Tata Group.
वो है.
Like if you see, like they
The
they
Air India
have
10X.
amazing redemption
Yeah.
with Taj, with Tanishq, and now their
Air
Air India is 10x.
Yeah.
भाई ये सोचो मैं अभी I was talking to Adil on the smart buy use of getting gold status. This is another beautiful way. Imagine अगर smart buy points के साथ आधा करो और आधा अगर ये 10x कार्ड के साथ you can keep booking and get status. It's
Right.
insane. You will earn points at the same time you have a chance to become Air India Gold.
Yeah.
Right.
So love that another
आप
opportunity.
Make My Trip पे भी use कर सकते हो, 10x आएगा.
Fair. That
Right.
also another option.
That is
Yeah,
also
yeah,
another
yeah,
option.
yeah.
But do you really think you need a co-branded Air India card right now because the revaluation of Air India happened?
Status
and
चाहिए ना सर. Status मिलता है
हाँ,
cards के साथ. I
for
would buy.
status, okay, if there is no status, just a co-branded card. In this scenario, if just a co-branded card, you're just getting 1 point extra per
No,
South.
they will
No,
give you
give me
ticket free.
tire points.
Yeah,
हाँ,
ticket
okay.
points, tire points.
So
कुछ तो
if
देगा
they're
वो.
giving some points extra, for example, now let's take Plat Travel, you'll get 2 points for 100. Now you're getting Air India points, 4 points for 100 or 4 points for 150. Imagine you have your Access Group B points, and if you have an Atlas or
But I'll use those Group B somewhere else, no?
Yeah, exactly.
I will take this for Air India.
Qantas.
okay, makes sense.
There's so many. Flying Blue is a great use case for Group B.
Okay.
Also, I feel that see if they come with see a good co-branded card,
Hmm.
always comes with something extra. Like they will send either give you a business class ticket,
Yeah.
they'll give you a premium economy ticket,
Exactly.
they will give you a joining bonus, milestone मिलेगा. Excluded categories पे milestone. That's why I will spend it for. For imagine
It should be a
getting
banger when they
yeah,
launch it.
exactly.
That should be
And my guess is that if Air India मत करो चलेगा एक Marriott card तो निकाल दो यार. Anyways, there were rumors of one more bank launching a Marriott card which never happened for some reason. So I hope that's not ICICI.
Cool, cool. अभी एक काम करते हैं. Let's do a short segment जहाँ बोलते हैं कि we discussed about all the cards.
Platinum
There
Reserve
are
आपकी
only
सब-
two
is-
cards that are currently being issued. One is the Platinum Charge card. The second is the Platinum
Reserve.
Reserve.
Yeah.
Let's talk about who should get the Plat Charge and who should get the Platinum Reserve. For what use case and for what persona are these ideal cards?
Perfect.
Because you hold the charge, let's start with you. Dimand will come to you for the reserve. And then Kusmesh will come to you for both on what your commentary is on both of these. आप start करो charge card से. Who should get it and why?
So आपको यदि peace of mind चाहिए and status matters,
Yeah.
then you should go for the Platinum Charge card.
Yeah.
It goes a very long way because you get the variety. You have your Marriott, you have your Hilton, and at the same time, you know, like you call their concierge, sometimes you get amazing offers, right? Last year I booked 1,37,000 return on Air India Bangalore to JFK. On that, they gave you 15,000 ka vouchers on Yatra. So like those kind of offers like are amazing, right? So and the customer care services, khair wo to across Amex is same. But yeah, I'll go for Plat Charge if I need a peace of
I want
mind.
to add 2
Stress
points.
free card.
I want to add 2
Makes
points
sense.
to him. Very, very underrated features. One, if you are somebody who likes booking revenue, right? FHR पे ताज का partnership amazing है. They get you good rates. Number one, you will get the credit of that $100, $200, whatever that they are running. Also, with that, you will be able to kind of get some great business class deals from the air program that they run. Right? So
Right.
if you are somebody who runs, I know a lot of people who consistently book business class on revenue. Like Prashant is one example in a circle who does that, and probably he would have extracted 5 times the value out of the fee that he pays. That's one. Secondly, for people who want flexible limits, that card is a no-brainer,
Correct.
right? Because you don't want to beg in front of Axis or HDFC से कि मेरा credit limit बढ़ा दो, ITR भेजो. Like once you start using the card, consistently hit let's say 30 lakh spend, they will tell you अच्छा आप एक काम करो इस महीने 1 crore भी spend कर सकते हो. So if you are somebody who has large spends and doesn't want to depend upon a credit limit, also because credit card, if you do credit limit, then आपका CIBIL score etc comes for a toss, right? So this is another underrated feature for somebody who has that kind of unpredictable large spends. Second big one. The third big one, it's also one of the most liberal banks or liberal cards, which allows you to swipe for, let's say, a slightly business-oriented, work-oriented travel, right? Obviously, they have their own corporate card. So if you're spending for your company, then you need the corporate card. But otherwise, if you're a proprietor, a lot of people are struggling here because if they use Axis, the card gets blocked. It's not allowed as per the terms and conditions. But Amex does allow you a certain amount of flexibility to, as a proprietor, to use that card. Right. So these are very underrated features. I've done a few calls, consultancy calls, where people have asked me this question and they were surprised. They didn't know this. In
And
fact,
जो आपने second point जो बोला ना कि you
Credit
don't
limit.
have to worry about the limit. And what I was talking earlier about getting your visa application really heavy. Like imagine you are going to Paris and you are booking Sofitel Eiffel Tower wala, and you have booked it for 10 nights, right? And it's coming from the bank taking as a guarantee that yes, this person has booked this place, right? So वो kind of flexibility आपको नहीं मिलेगी.
Last is Adil's favorite, which I always keep speaking about, कि the fact that I swiped at any shady merchant that Amex card, I mean, उसके लिए reserve भी चलेगा, but I'm saying if you have the plat size, just feels that you'll also be treated well by the bank.
for sure.
Yes.
Right? So, and it's happened with me twice. I know that it's not like it's a permanent closure of the case, but at least they give you saying कि भाई हम संभाल लेंगे, तुमको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. It
Right.
feels like 10x
At
to me.
least for any individual, once in their life, that will happen, that it's a shady merchant, the product won't be delivered or something like that. And for that, you need Amex for sure.
I just want them to fix one thing, which is when they invite you, send you the invite for वो तो एकदम ऐसा लगता है कि यार वहाँ
For
पे
that reason,
yes.
I would never ever tell somebody to get a card for
Correct.
that reason. We went.
It's
Yes.
very hard to get here. Very hard to get.
Like
here.
I've stopped even
230 को मेल आया, आप 235 को अप्लाई कर रहे हो. It is sold out.
1 को भी नहीं
Yes.
मिलता है तो काफी
I stopped
So it's-
even thinking
it's
about it. Like मतलब वो ऐसा हो गया कि नहीं यार ये इसको ignore कर दो.
badly handled, हुआ तो हुआ types, like yeah.
Right.
Any other point, Adil, that you feel we have missed on plat
No, I
charge?
think we've
Any
done a
other-
good job. We pretty much covered
Who should not
everything.
get the card? ये बताओ. Like whom should like say कि नहीं मेरे लिए plat charge नहीं है. Like or
I think people who are expecting insane reward multipliers. For
Values.
them, this doesn't make sense. A Magnus Burgundy is a great utilitarian card for them. This is more for the casual peace of mind kind of players.
got it.
They're like, I just want to use this card. You handle all the headache. Take care of me.
Got it.
And you know what? I don't care if I don't get a lot of points. What I want is peace of mind. And I want you to pull a rabbit out of the hat in the form of experiences.
Yeah.
I'm going, let's say, to Paris, like you said. I want to eat at this particular place. There's a wait list. It is closed for 6 months. These guys will make it up.
Correct.
If you have the ability to truly spend money and you want someone to take care of you and get it done, I think this is a great card. Now, people who don't spend a ridiculous amount of money, this is not a good card. But if you're spending, let's say, 1 crore, 2 crores, 3 crores, 5 crores on this card, there's a dedicated RM that is assigned for you.
Got
Then
it.
you call just that person, and that person is your concierge who will take care of everything.
Got it.
Then you have a
your
one-on-one
back.
relationship. He or she has your back, and then you take care of this. So I think this is a great card for those kind of people who have ability to truly spend money.
Yeah.
And then Amex will,
Yeah.
roll out the red carpet for them.
Sure.
This is the kind of persona that is truly benefiting from
Fair.
the also people who really appreciate the finer joys of life. For example, you want to go to Centurion lounges and really experience those lounges. This is a great card.
Got it.
Typically, nahi to, the priority pass lounges are a little meh. They're very hit or miss.
Yeah.
American Express, sure, they're getting crowded these days in the US, but in spite of that, the quality that they give you access to is really good.
So just one more thing, I think for people who've been cribbing about their essential launches in India, I think they just launched a new
Delhi
Delhi
one.
one.
Yeah.
Yes.
By the way, there's another breaking. 2 more lounges are coming.
आप मेरे को ये बताओ, डोमेस्टिक ट्रेवल में लाउंज में आपको सिंगल मॉल्ट कौन दे रहा है? राइट, कोई नहीं दे रहा. You have those options, like you go to, I understand your thing,
I mean,
but
Adil wouldn't
otherwise,
care about it.
yes.
So.
No, but I think the point that is trying to make is exclusivity. I'm saying
Yes.
you go to an Amex lounge not to eat good food only. Sometimes it's because the top executives or the somebody who's like कि मेरे को peace of mind चाहिए, सब जनता जगह पे नहीं जाना है.
अरे
तो
आप
काफी बार ऐसे भी
इंटरनेशनल
जाते हैं.
ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, यू आर यूजिंग योर प्रायोरिटी पास और वॉट एवर, आपको इंटरनेशनल लाउंज में भी देयर इज नो गारंटी यू विल गेट अ सिंगल मॉल्ट.
नहीं,
Right,
वो तो-
like they will have good whiskeys. I'm just saying, like,
Yeah, got it.
slight change from the
Yeah.
topic, but I mean, like, they really care about, their customers, and they maintain that exclusivity.
By the way, Adil, Japan, Haneda Airport, the new Centurion Lounge is insane.
Man, there you go.
Insane. Like, I love the food, love the bar, love the desserts. Insane. Like,
मैंने आपको बोला ना, ये आदमी अरमानों को कीड़े में बदलने की ताकत रखता है.
next Japan trip loading. But at the same time, US के Centurion Lounge was very disappointing. Like Philadelphia, I went, like I just didn't like it.
No, वही बोल रहा हूँ.
भाई
So
रात
there
को
are certain
10:30 बजे
airports
बंद हो
at which
जाता
it's very busy.
Hmm.
And then there are certain airports that it's a delight. And this is where I think हमारे को थोड़ा effort मारना पड़ता है, where we need to research and figure out which is the right place to go to and which is the right place to avoid. So for example, Japan में there are multiple airports which have, instead of lounge, you can go to a restaurant
Yeah.
and you can order a la carte whatever you
Correct,
want.
correct.
It's a great use case for a family.
Yeah.
और वो सबके लिए तुम order कर सकते हो and the budget is pretty lenient.
Got it.
So I think it depends on, what you want to use where.
आदिल, सॉरी,
हाँ जी.
हम एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज भूल गए यहाँ पे डिस्कस करना. जो चार्ज कार्ड का फीचर है, डेट यू गेट 3 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कार्ड्स एड ऑन.
Yes.
Yeah.
4 है ना?
Yeah, like, I mean, including primary.
Okay.
There are total 4 cards you can have, and all the 4 card members are eligible for the Gold Marriott, Gold
I think
Hilton,
it's only
and
for
all.
So
one.
that is
Only for one additional one.
So only
It
for the
it used to apply for everyone,
now it's only
but now
for
it's restricted to only one add-on. now.
one add-on.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
क्योंकि पहले मैंने भी सबका कराया था. Now it is
It's only
applied
for
only
one.
for one.
पहले only for one सिर्फ priority pass होता था कि they used to give one priority
no,
pass.
for everyone.
Okay.
Priority
Okay.
pass is for everyone.
Okay.
But priority pass doesn't come with free visits. It just covers the fee.
No,
Oh,
no,
this
no,
one
no,
comes
no,
with visits,
for
yeah.
everyone.
It comes with free visits.
Yeah.
Comes with free visits.
Got it. Let's
Okay,
move to the
so
result.
we-
Also, one more
like-
important point for people who travels a lot, plat charge is a must, because whenever you lose your wallet or you lose your passport, whatever it is, so if you call the Amex, they'll sort it out. They'll just take 1 or 2 days, but they'll
Yeah, they
get
do.
back to you. They'll bring your cash, whatever it is.
Yeah, I saw
like a piece of
I
mind.
saw Adil's reel on this and like the comments and then his replies. Like I think if I have to sum up this customer service thing, I think it's very simple. It's still the best in all banks, but
Nobody
it's not
can
where it is to be. Like everybody understands that. I think it's not at the level where it is to be, but I think it's still better by miles than any other bank.
Definitely.
I tell you, at least उनको context समझता है. Like आधे banks को context ही नहीं समझता है कि भाई क्या चल रहा है, right? So let's move to the platinum reserve.
Finally, let's talk about the Platinum Reserve. Timant, who should get the Platinum Reserve?
Okay, so first of all, if I talk about the entire devaluation scenario this year, one strong recommendation I have is that you should have an Amex in your wallet if you're serious about travel, right? And unfortunately, we're left with only 2 Amexes, right? So not plat charge is not for everybody. So वो एक 11,000 का खर्चा, I think you should look at an investment if you have a lot of travel. I particularly standalone would have never recommended the Platinum Reserve if there was a Platinum Travel. But अगर नहीं है Platinum Travel, then I would recommend have it. 3 reasons. One, there are unique partners like Virgin, which nobody has, right? So clear, मतलब ये option open होता है नया. Second is Cathay. HDFC has Cathay, but the ratio is lower. मतलब same है ratio, but like Amex points are less valuable than an HDFC point because you have 1:1 to Singapore Airlines, right? So you would want to use the Cathay here rather than there. The third is obviously the whole point around instant transfers, right? So you want that instant transferability क्योंकि मेरा तो हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है कि 100 miles के लिए Singapore Airlines की booking नहीं हो रही है, तो immediate transfer करना is a godsend for me. Right, so there's
Correct.
2-3 reasons I feel that Amex होना जरूरी है. Now, if Amex Platinum Reserve is the only scenario, I think one, joining bonus. You should get it for the joining bonus because with referral, it's a great joining bonus. I think now without referral, they're running an offer of 15,000 MR. So it's well paid for in terms of at least that. Second is आपको Accor की towards gold status, you get 20 nights. So you get at least that jump. If you do not have the Accor Explorer Plus only, अगर आपके पास already है buy किया हुआ, this does not stack up. Don't buy it only for the Accor Plus because it will not stack up to your existing Accor Plus.
Correct.
For those who are newbies, Accor allows 50 nights stacking only. 30 from one program, 20 from other, 20 from one, 30 from another. That can be any combination, right? It can be even 20 from China, 30 from China, but you cannot go beyond 50 in stacking. 10 तो आपको कमाने ही पड़ेंगे. So this is a great 20 के लिए starter, right? This is the other advantage. Reward rates extremely poor. I would say please reserve के खर्चा मत करो. It doesn't give any points for most of the excluded categories. Milestones भी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, एक milestone है, and I think it doesn't make sense. So for me, I would recommend Platinum Reserve for two reasons. One, if you want to be serious to get into the Accor ecosystem, Axis ecosystem, and second is for the Accor Gold का step. These are my two strong reasons to get it.
I'll touch on one point that you briefly touched.
Okay.
Say, for example, you said, if you want to get into miles transfers, think about this card. तुम ज्वाइन करोगे 15,000 पॉइंट मिलेगा तुमको,
Perfect.
बराबर. तुम भर रहे हो अभी 11,800 रुपए, तुमको मिलेंगे 15,000 पॉइंट. मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, वो 11,800 भरो, उसके ऊपर 4,800 और भरो, और 10,000 पॉइंट खरीद लो. आपके पास 25,000 पॉइंट हो गए. आपका खर्चा कितना हो गया? 15,800 प्लस 800, 16,600. 16,600 आपने खर्चा किया, आपको मिले 25,000 पॉइंट.
गोल्ड शेयर.
नहीं, सो गोल्फ शेयर, सो ऑब्वियसली ग्रेट वे टू डू दैट. आप
He
गोल्फ
knows
शेयर
better.
चले जाओ.
People love audience know you better than your wife now.
सो गोल्फ शेयर इज अ ग्रेट रिडेम्पशन, राइट? मतलब 30,000 35,000 का वैल्यू तुम्हारे को मिल गया, तुम्हारे पैसे मिल गए. इवन बेटर इज ट्रांसफर दिस टू वर्जिन. आपने जैसे ट्रांसफर किया 25,000, ये 12,500 हो गए वर्जिन में. ऑफ पीक 6,000 में इकोनॉमी रिटर्न ट्रिप टू लंदन,
करेक्ट.
वन वे. सो 12,000 पॉइंट में यू गेट अ रिटर्न ट्रिप टू लंदन. और यू विल से टैक्सेस भरना होगा. ठीक है यार, 20,000 रुपए भी ले लो टैक्सेस के लिए, तो आपका खर्चा कितना हुआ? यू पेड 36,000 रुपीज इंक्लूडिंग ऑल द टैक्सेस. यू गॉट अ रिटर्न ट्रिप टू लंदन एंड यू गॉट एन अकॉर स्क्रिप्ट. अकॉर 38,000 में लंदन का रिटर्न ट्रिप नहीं मिलेगा. लेट मी जस्ट पुट इट दैट वे. हियर तुमको 38,000 मिल रहा है. बैंगलोर से वर्जिन डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिविटी है, कोई वाया वगैरह नहीं जाना है तुमको. प्रोग्राम ब्यूटीफुल है. अवार्ड चार्ट एडवांस में पब्लिश है. हमारा वर्जिन का एपिसोड देख लो, तुमको समझ में आ जाएगा कैसे बुक करना है. एंड यू विल गेट योर अकॉर मेंबरशिप ऑल्सो. ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड है अगर ये तुम्हारा एंट्री
case
है एमेक्स इकोसिस्टम के अंदर. एनीथिंग एल्स यू ऑल वांट टू ऐड, कुसुमेश एंड क्षितिज?
नहीं, ये वर्जिन वाला is like I really appreciate that part that they have that as a partner. Like my entire Vietnam trip redemption was on that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's
Even I'm saying Cathay में भी actually recently कर सकते हो.
Yeah,
12,500 points Cathay one way
Hong
to
Kong.
Hong Kong.
Yeah.
I think that typically that
I did that last year again. वो
30,000,
आपने ही बम गिराया
मेरा
था
खुद ही ना?
मॉन्ट्रियन का.
फाड़ दो
तो,
बिल मेरे पे.
हाँ.
सब बिल मेरे पे फाड़ो तुम.
हम तो बोलते हैं जो दीमन बोलता है हम करते हैं.
हाँ.
I'm making people poorer.
हमको थोड़ी कोई शौक है थाईलैंड जाने का. ये लेकर जा रहे हैं.
ये लेके, ये तुमको नहीं, ये 20 लोग को लेके गए इंडिया से कि भाई चलो साथ में करते हैं, हर घर थाईलैंड यात्रा.
Yeah, but yaar, what I'm realizing is that there is so little to Amex in India left now, yaar. I mean, that's where my I think biggest problem is. I'm actually worried ki what is the outlook? Is there more cards coming?
I'm sure they'll come. This is think about
They
this
will
is a
come.
temporary blip
They've
in the
come up
road.
with a
They
very
have
big offer.
infra challenges.
Very long blip.
Soon they will solve
Very
it.
long blip. No, it's been a year plus now.
ठीक है, आ जाएगा. जब आ जाएगा हम दोबारा एक एपिसोड कर लेंगे.
Like Emerald Private, you
Don't
can't
talk about it.
you're not able to transfer to anything else, right?
Air
So,
India
you know,
बच गया ना
Cool,
तुम.
cool.
only
Chalo.
Air, no?
So with this, we'll bring it to a close. Thank you. I think this is a fun episode. We discussed existing cards. We existed. If you want to, who are the personas who should get the plat charge versus the plat reserve? With that, we'll wind it up. Kusumesh, thank you for hosting us
Thank you.
at
Welcome.
your lovely interior studio, Mila Homes.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for tuning in. This is Kshitij, Kusumesh, Dhimant and Adil signing off from the Great Indian Points and Miles Show.